Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to align your side-by-side refrigerator doors. If your refrigerator door seems uneven, you can easily adjust it. Check if there is a height difference between the two doors. Before aligning the doors, check if the refrigerator is properly leveled. If not, you should level the refrigerator before you align the doors. If you need assistance with leveling, check out our video on how to level the refrigerator. Referring back to the door alignment instructions, locate the adjustment nut on the bottom of either door. Be sure not to confuse this with the refrigerator leveling legs. Use the spanner or spanners included with your side-by-side refrigerator. The adjustment nuts consist of a keeper nut and an adjustment hinge pin. Loosen the keeper nut first by turning it clockwise. Next, use the box end part of the spanner to adjust the height of the hinge pin. The adjustable range is a maximum of 3 mm. Turn it clockwise to lower the door. Turn it anti-clockwise to raise the door. Check if the doors are properly aligned. If the doors are aligned, fasten the keeper nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Be sure not to over-tighten the keeper nut. And you are all set. If you have any further questions, or need further assistance, please contact your LG Electronics Service Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.